Yeah. Got car part. Let's go. That's how it always starts. This is how it always freaking starts. I'm just gonna get some tasteful modifications. Next thing you know, boom, full-blown race car. Let's open this bad boy. You got your destructions. Oh yeah, I've already been looking at it. You already know. Tall teardrop. My car is ceramic white, so I got gloss white as close as I could get to ceramic white. WRX branded 600 gram weighted shift knob from Billet Workz with the kanji, because the car's actually made in Japan, so I figured it'd be a little tasteful, fun thing, right? I'm gonna go ahead and put this guy on the car and see how it feels. Don't mind how dirty the Subaru is. Still cold for me to detail. First step, we're gonna twist off the stock shift knob. It should just turn, but twist that off. And then we'll get to step 2A. Step 1A, twist off your shift knob. Should be something. Wow, that baby's on there. Like that. Step 2A, take your jam nut, not your insert. Take your jam nut and put it on the shifter. Without being an idiot and cross-threading it. Because it is possible. I just about did it. Again, hand tighten everything. Do not wrench stuff down. So that is step 2A. Step 1B would be to take your insert and put it on the shift lever. This is your insert. It goes like this onto your shift lever. Not this way, or you will not get your shift knob on your shifter. So, again, put that down. Kind of just go by hand. Now, you're going to need a couple of tools for this next part. You're going to need a 17 and a 19. The insert is a 17. The jam nut is a 19. Tighten them down. You don't have to sit there and reef on them, just snug them. Again, don't want to screw up your threads. But a 17 and a 19. Your jam nut is a 19 and your shifter insert is a 17 mil. Time for the fun part. Take your awesome new heavy duty weighted 600 gram shift knob, tall teardrop here, and start threading it into your insert. Again, the reason you snug these is so that your insert does not get stuck in your shift knob. If it gets stuck in your shift knob, you're kind of screwed. You can kind of try and get it out, but you're probably going to damage threads. So taking this, and this is the fun part. This is where OCD is an absolute mug, because you're probably going to have to do what's called clocking, which is loosen your jam nut and your insert up, turn it just right, then tighten it all back down to get it lined up perfect. So the way I have things now, I am way off. I want the WRX logo down, shifting pattern, normal, all that. So I'm going to have to loosen up, rotate a little bit, because I got everything way down. So I'm going to have to rotate just a little bit, probably do a 3/4 turn on the insert, and I should be good. So I messed up. I didn't, like I said, snug it up good. Not reef on it, but snug it up good, because I did get the insert stuck in my shift knob. So getting this lined up became a freaking task of clocking it. But as you can see, tall teardrop versus stock, a little bit taller, feels a little bit better. See how it drives on my way to work today in the stupid rain. But yeah, it's on there. It's awesome. It's got the kanji, little Japanese throwback. Doing some Japanese theming with this vehicle. But there it is. There's first modification. Now, boom, full-blown race car. That's how it always starts.